Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning off the bathroom circuit at the breaker and confirming the power is dead with a non-contact tester. Next, set your ladder so you can reach the spotlight comfortably. Gather an insulated screwdriver, wire connectors, and the replacement lamp. Take note of the trim orientation and fixture type now so you don't guess later. Once done, remove the trim or bezel gently. Hold the lamp so it doesn't drop, because the fit and wiring vary between recessed and surface mounts. With the fixture exposed, support the housing and unscrew any mounting screws. Never let the can fall into the ceiling. Once supported, disconnect the wires and inspect their condition. When installing the new spotlight, match live to live and neutral to neutral, and tighten wire connectors firmly. This prevents arcing. Make sure any gaskets or thermal insulation remain properly positioned to protect against moisture and overheating. After wiring, tuck conductors neatly. Secure the housing and fasten mounting screws so the trim sits flush and aligned. Once the fixture is mechanically secured, restore power and test the light with the wall switch. Observe for steady illumination and listen for buzzing that suggests loose connections. If the light works, turn power off again and install the trim, checking alignment so it's even with adjacent fixtures. Use a small bead of silicone for gaps around moist areas. If the lamp does not work, first recheck your wire connections and bulb seating. Then confirm the breaker and test the new lamp in another socket to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.